In this video, you'll learn how to load the data with Agile Data Engine to the development environment. Workflow orchestration is a component of the runtime environment. It controls the execution of load workflows, which are represented as DAGs. When you trigger the DAG you've chosen, it executes the SQL queries on the database. DAG can also be triggered, for example, by a schedule defined by a cron expression or by API request. The actual physical load processing is performed in the target database. The tables are populated after the SQL statements are executed against the database. In this example, we are loading data into the staging layer. This means that the raw data has been ingested into the landing zone in the cloud object storage. Once the DAG is triggered in workflow orchestration, ADE executes the copy into statements against the target database, populating the staging tables. First, we navigate to workflow orchestration of the development runtime. On the front page, you see the list of DAGs. They are named after schedules given to the loads. Search for your own DAG. In this example, we'll use the Taxidata tutorial DAG. You need to unpause the DAG and then trigger it. You can choose to trigger the entire workflow or optionally trigger it with parameters. Now we will trigger it as a whole. Next, let's go inside the DAG. You can see that all loads were executed successfully. Select the entity for which you want to view the load log. Then just press Logs to check the SQL statements run against the target database.